Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan oatmeal cookies using an easy method. First, let's get our wet ingredients ready. You'll need 1/2 cup of softened vegan butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Cream these together until they're light and fluffy. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite plant milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is perfectly combined. This simple step sets the foundation for wonderfully chewy cookies. Next, we'll prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 and 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once thoroughly mixed, gradually add this dry blend to your wet ingredients. Stir gently until just combined, being careful not to overmix. This ensures your cookies will have that perfect, tender chewiness we all love. Now for the fun part, adding your favorite mix-ins. Gently fold in about 1/2 cup of vegan chocolate chips, raisins, or chopped nuts into your cookie dough. Once incorporated, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake these delightful treats for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once your cookies are baked to perfection, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These vegan oatmeal cookies are best enjoyed warm, but they also store wonderfully. Keep any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 or 4 days. Enjoy your delicious, homemade vegan treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.